There may be times when you need to edit PDF files on your Android phone. In this video, we'll show you how to edit, annotate, sign, and manage PDFs on Android for free with PDFgear. First things first, head over to the Google Play Store, search for PDFgear, and get it installed. Once it's good to go, just tap to open the app and you're ready to roll. Hit the plus button down in the bottom right corner to pick and open whichever PDF you want to work on. Tap the edit button up top to switch things over and select edit to jump right in. From here, you can freely add new text or delete whatever you don't need. Tap right here whenever you want to tweak your text style, change the font color, or adjust the size. Need to drop in a picture? Just tap Image, select Add Image, and you're set. You can resize it, move it anywhere, or just tap it if you want to copy, rotate, crop, or delete it. Now let's head back up to the top menu and switch over to Annotate mode. Grab the highlight tool, pick your favorite color, and start marking up key points instantly. Underlining and strikethroughs work in the exact same smooth way. You can also pop open a text box, pick a color, set your size, and jot down quick notes. Just type out what you need and arrange everything however you like. Working with comments, grab the comment tool, type your thoughts, and hit Done up in the corner. Next up, just switch to fill and sign mode whenever you need to fill out forms. From there, it's super simple to drop in check marks or cross marks. You can also tap once to add handy custom stamps like approved or completed. Even better, PDFgear gives you 3 super easy ways to sign documents. First, you can just draw your signature right on the screen. Second, you can upload an existing signature image straight from your photos. Or third, just type your name out using your keyboard. Super convenient. Let's check out Organize Pages next. Here, you can toss in blank pages, pull out specific pages you need, or get rid of extra ones. You can also rotate pages in a flash if they're facing the wrong way. Here's the coolest part. You can actually chat with your PDF using built-in AI just by hitting the AI button. Want a quick recap? It can summarize your entire PDF file in seconds with just one prompt. You can also ask it direct questions to sniff out exact details buried in the document. Plus, you can easily copy your chat responses whenever you need to save them for later. You can type directly into the quick search bar to track down any keyword, allowing you to instantly locate and review the highlighted section. And when you're all done, just tap the 3 dots in the top right to save, share, or print your finished PDF. Give it a try and tell me how it goes.